Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Hitesh and I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, we will be covering one of the frequently asked Android interview questions related to Kotlin about the JVM overloads annotations, how it is used and how it is useful. So guys, before we move ahead, just wanted to let you know that I've already posted a couple of more videos on JVM field and JVM static annotations. You can find the playlist in the description below to have a look and understand how the other two annotations work around. So this video is basically a part of my ongoing series on Android interview questions and answers. And without further ado, let's dive into the explanation. So as I've mentioned in my last videos, the best part about Kotlin is it supports interoperability. That means the Kotlin code can be invoked in Java class and the vice versa can happen easily. Let's try and understand how it works for JVM overloads. So there is a class, data class, my session that I've created with two parameters. One is name of string type and other one is date, and I am passing the default value of date. If you see here, date. So I'm creating one session object and then I'm passing two parameters, some value for the name variable and the date, which is the by default parameter or by default information. So the other way, to create the same object is that we can just pass the name parameter. We can exclude, passing their date value because we have already passed the default value in the constructor. So it is not mandatory in Kotlin that you have to pass all the parameters if there are already default values available in the constructor. So in this case, it will take it as just a name value. But how this will work in Java? Let's have a look. So again, there is a session object created where I'm trying to pass only the name variable information or name value variable value, but I did not pass the date value. So if you see here, we will get the compile error as the compiler will ask us to pass the new date value as well, be it a default one or if there is no value, doesn't matter. You have to pass all the parameters that have been there in the constructor of the data class. So the simple way is to pass all the information. If you see here, there is no compilation error now. But the question arises here is it possible that we just pass only one value which is actually required and we don't pass the default values just like we did in Kotlin? I think the answer is yes. But how? So this can happen with the help of @JvmOverloads Annotation. If you see here now, this is the same data class, my session, and I've just appended the keyword JvmOverloads in the constructor and I'm passing the same thing. Now in Java, if I create the same object, my session, I just pass some value for the name variable. If you see here, I don't pass the default value of date. So there is no compilation error. That means the JvmOverload annotation is helping us to call the Kotlin code in Java in the similar fashion how we are doing in Kotlin. So the verdict for today is that now we know what is a JVM overloads annotation and when to use it and how to use it. And it is similar to how we used JVM field and JVM static annotations. So this is pretty much for today, guys. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you have any specific questions or topics you would like me to cover in future videos, feel free to drop a suggestion in the comments. I would be more than happy to create more content for you. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.